In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Tag Manager. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to manage, create, or track all the tags on your website in a centralized and efficient way. So let's get started. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and head over to tagmanager.google.com. This is the official website where you can access Google Tag Manager, Google's free tool that allows you to manage and update tags for your website or app. Think of it as your control center for organizing Google Analytics tags, AdWords conversions, and other marketing tracker codes. Once you've navigated to the site, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. This step is straightforward but essential as it ensures that you have access to your Google Tag Manager account. Make sure you have the correct login information at hand. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to use the one associated with your Google Tag Manager data. Upon logging in, you will be greeted by the Google Tag Manager interface. On the top left of the screen, you'll notice an Accounts tab. This is your gateway to accessing and managing all your existing containers. Now, if you're wondering what a container is, think of it as a collection of tags, triggers, variables, and related configurations installed on a given page on your website. Essentially, it is where the magic happens. By clicking on the Accounts tab, you'll see a list of all the accounts you have access to. Choose the account which contains the container you want to work on, and you'll be directed to a more detailed view where you can see all your containers and start managing them. Each container represents a specific website or app. Now that you've reached your containers, this is where you can create and manage tags within each of them. Tags are snippets of code that help track traffic, monitor user behavior, or even facilitate marketing campaign optimization. Google Tag Manager simplifies the process of adding, editing, or pausing tags, eliminating the need for a developer in many cases. You can start by either creating a new tag if you have a specific function in mind, or exploring existing tags to adjust their settings or track performance. Remember, managing tags efficiently can lead to more accurate data collection and ultimately better insights for your marketing strategies. I hope this guide was helpful to you. By following these steps, you'll easily navigate Google Tag Manager and get to organizing your website or app's tag data efficiently in no time. Thanks for watching and happy tagging.